Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix OneDrive error 0x8004de40 on Windows 11. Without any further ado, let's get started. Start by navigating to your Windows desktop and click on the Start menu. This is your main access point for searching and running commands that will help resolve this error. Once your Start menu opens, you'll need to access a specific OneDrive application file that resets your OneDrive settings and configuration. This built-in tool is designed to clear cache files and resolve errors like the one you're experiencing. What you'll do is paste a file path directly into the Start menu search box. This path points to the OneDrive reset executable file that Microsoft includes specifically for troubleshooting purposes. The directory path you need to paste is $localappdata $Microsoft /OneDrive/OneDrive.exe /reset. Feel free to pause the video here so you can carefully copy this entire path exactly as shown. It's important to get every character correct for this to work properly. Once you've pasted the complete path into the Start menu search box, simply press Enter on your keyboard. This command runs the Microsoft OneDrive reset executable file, which immediately begins clearing your OneDrive cache and resetting all OneDrive settings back to their default state. This process specifically targets and resolves the 0x8004de40 error by removing corrupted configuration files and clearing out any problematic cache data that might be causing the issue. You might notice OneDrive briefly closes and then reopens automatically after a few moments. This is completely normal and indicates that the reset process is working correctly. The application needs to restart to apply the fresh configuration settings. And that's it. You've successfully resolved the OneDrive error 0x8004de40 by resetting your OneDrive configuration. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.